So the first thing that comes to mind is protein content. So, we can work out really hard, but if our body doesn't have the right ingredients to respond to the stress of working out, then it doesn't put on muscle as well. So making sure that your protein levels are up and high would be my first question, and to kind of just evaluate the diet side of things. It's a funny misconception. When we think about our arms, everybody wants big biceps for sure, but really the biggest muscle in the arm, in the upper arm, is your tricep. So I would actually encourage a person to work both and see what happens with their upper body. So maybe even focus on the triceps a little bit more and see if that helps them bulk up their upper body. If you're wanting specifically to target your biceps, I would go for something called hypertrophy. So we're not talking about strength anymore. We're just talking about getting the muscle blown up and bigger. And then you're going to want to do really high reps, maybe 15 to 20 reps. And if you're talking about your biceps, then you're going to want to be doing something like curls or pull-ups, which will even work more muscles than just your biceps, but certainly will hit them.